fun, but having money is a lot more better and a lot more fun. Boom, crazy, good. Oh, my eye was so itchy. But if you have any questions, you can text me. Don't worry about it. Or just let me know in the comments. Don't worry about it as well. So you can see that we were having a downtrend right here. But it was broken by a strong buying candle. And if you take a look at the Williams, you can see that we still have some room to raise. Yeah, let me go with 150. Going for long. I missed the great opportunity. No. But anyway, I don't care. I mean, what I mean by saying the great opportunity, the green candle, the current candle, it just turned red for like 2 seconds, and it was the perfect timing for the entry spot. But I missed that, unfortunately. But all right, I'm gonna win this bet anyway. I promise you. You can see that. I mean, if I lose it, you ain't gonna see this video. No, I'm kidding. It doesn't really work that way. I'm showing you all the losses, all the wins, and everything. I mean, I'm not willing to lose the first bet, and I talked big about it. So that's kind of, it wouldn't be so nice. Oh my god, do you know what I was doing today? What I've been doing, basically, I've been just going through some old messages with a friend of mine, and was, checking the messages, watching the video messages and the videos and everything that we shared. It was so fun. But having money is a lot more better and a lot more fun. Oh my god, my eye is so itchy, but let me play it. I'm up 250 here, and gonna go long, guys. Because if you take a look at the market, you can see that we may be, and we have the opportunity and possibility to expect a bounce upward from the support at 155.014. So we are having strong support level right there, and Williams are showing that we're so conditioned, so buying it. Boom, crazy, good. Oh, my eye was so itchy. Canadian dollars and the francs here. So I'm gonna go with amount 400 here, and I'm just immediately going for long, guys, because you can see that I mean we are having strong buyers in Canadian dollars, and I'm waiting for a breakout above the Bollinger Bands. Great. I almost got 1,000, to be honest. I had in the beginning 163, or yeah. I remember the first bet was 150. Australian and Canadian dollars right here. I guess I'm gonna go with Australian and Canadian dollars. Drawing you a corridor. I mean, the price is clearly moves within this corridor. I would like to go with 600 and yeah, I'm going short. Yeah, I'm sorry. I was just monitoring the candle, and it got stuck for me. It got stuck for me just for a second, and I was like kind of surprised, to be honest. Yeah. So the explanation is, guys, the previous time the price bounced from the lower band. Right now, from the drawing that we have, price bounced from the upper band. So the same situation, but the same scenario, but a different situation, I would say. Honestly, most of the cases, most of the trades are working this way. So don't get too confused. And this is the main reason why. Let me just wait 2 seconds. This is the main reason why I'm inviting you over and over repetitively to my Telegram VIP group, because once you understand one of the strategies or tactics, it's gonna be easier for you to get familiar with with other tactics and the strategies, because most of them working in the same pattern, to be honest. Euro and Canadian dollars right here, 800. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna sell it. I'm gonna sell it for sure. I mean, you can see that there was a technical rebound upward, but buyers lack. I mean, they don't have enough power. We are having strong sellers, and they are dominating the market right now. And I expect a break below the fractal support. So we're going for a sell. We're going for a short, which is absolutely good and okay, I believe. Yeah, my tits were itchy. Yeah. I'm sorry for that. And guys, yeah, do not remember. No, do not forget about the information that I'm giving you right here, because I believe this is very much useful. And but if you just go to the Telegram VIP group, you're gonna be very much surprised in a good way. Because I mean, honestly, I'm not charging any money. I'm just giving you, you know, you just watch it and do the same and get the profit. Here you go. Here you freaking go. I made $2,225 from $163, which is absolutely mad. I got nothing extra, just straight 2,225 with no coins. Great, guys. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to leave a like, subscribe to my channel. I'm acting like I'm a YouTuber. PewDiePie, yeah. So, do not forget to leave a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and of course Telegram VIP group, which is very much important for you. It does matter for me as well, but it's gonna be a game changer for you. Do not forget about it. See you. Goodbye. Ciao.